Hi, this is a video tutorial to go over how to get started with using Potivity.com. So we're actually going to log in first. So at this point, we've assumed that you've already created an account. If you haven't, we recommend going to our video tutorials on how to create an account or reset your password. So since we have an email account, we're going to click Let's Go. Make sure we're on the Login tab, and we will log in. So we're just going to give you a lay of the land of Potivity, try to give you some pointers to help you get started. So the first thing Potivity is about is really just trying to look for dog-friendly activities and events. And you can do so easily by going to this first banner here and selecting on a special interest and entering a location, destination, or activity. Alternatively, you can also look for that up here. So that's the first thing that you could do. So we're going to look up hiking. And you'll get a search results page with a bunch of options on different Potivities or events, as well as articles related to hiking. So we're going to go back to the home page. We're just going to click on the logo to go back to the home page. And so the next thing that we're going to go over is the menus here. So Potivity is all about playing, sharing, and exploring. So under the play menu, we have monthly challenges, which are monthly activity challenges that we offer to our members to play. We also have the Potivities and events, which are the activity and event listings that are dog friendly, and as well as the leaderboard. We'll go into these a little bit detail later. Under the share menu, we have photos and videos, which is a collection of all the photos and videos that are shared by our members. Under explore, we basically have all of our articles. So there's a variety of topics that those cover. So the next thing that we're going to go over is how to go into your profile. If you haven't done so already, if you go to the top right, you'll see your username here, your display name here. And you can click on My Profile, and this will take you to the public view for what others see on your profile. So you'll see a few sections here that you can dictate what people see. So in order to set your profile settings, click on Edit Profile Settings. Alternatively, you can also click from the drop down up here and click Settings. So you'll see your profile settings here, your dog's profile. You can add another dog. Your friends listed here. You can invite friends or search for a friend here. Social media settings, your privacy settings of how you want your content viewed, your email notification settings of how you want messages, either by your inbox on Potivity.com or by email, and then also your newsletter subscription. The last section here is if you want to block a user and, of course, delete your account. So this is a really good information. We recommend that everyone really go through this and make sure that you have the settings that you want. So the other thing on this dropdown was just to log out. So we've showed you the profile page as well as the menus. The other thing that we're going to do is show you how to get started. So we showed you before the first page, the home page, where you could search for a dog-friendly activity or event. If you want to look for more entries, you can click on Play, Potivities and Events, and you can search for all the different activities or events dog-friendly activities or events that you could do with your dog. You can select a filter to search by location, or if you select just a Potivity, which are destination or activities, or events, which are dated events. So you can use a filter to do that. Alternatively, since Potivities and events are a lot of it is provided by members, you can suggest a Potivity or suggest an event, and we'll add it. So let's get into adding a photo. So let's say we went to the Cascades at Lake Mohegan. We're going to open up a Potivity here. You'll see a really, really good Cliff Notes kind of version of going to the Cascades at Lake Mohegan. And we really take pride in writing a good description here, something that we really feel that dog owners would really value and what would save their time in looking for information instead of looking on multiple websites or scouring through the reviews of other websites. So we like to put as much information as we can. We link it sometimes to other recommended activities, ones that may be prerequisites like to sit or training, as well as next activities that might be the next step up for your dog. We also list suggested articles that are related to this Pawtivity. So one of the beauty of the community is that you can upload a photo. So to do that, you can go into any of the Pawtivities or events and upload your photo here. So what will happen is that a pop-up will come up, and you can input all the information here. We have a separate tutorial on how to do this, so please, if you have trouble, look at that tutorial. Alternatively, we have these navigation bar either at the top header of the page or at the bottom of every mobile device. So this will be direct access to this pop-up form to submit a photo or video, as well as the other items. This was your inbox, so you can view any messages that you have from other users. So you'll see your inbox, your sent messages, as well as any friend requests that you have. So this isn't a quick access to your profile. And this is anything that you've saved on Pawtivities. So if you look at any of the Pawtivities, you'll see a little paw here. You can actually save that to your personal list, and it'll come up on this up here. And you'll see that throughout the website. You can save that on articles as well. So we hope that gives you a little bit about how to use the website, and please let us know if you need more information. We're always here to help. And if you have any questions, please email them to submit@pawtivity.com. Thank you.